So you guys, thank you for 3,000 subscribers! God bless you all, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. And we're going to church right now. My dad is bathing, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. And yeah, thank you for 3,000 subscribers! I want to say a little prayer. Amen.
Amen.
Lord bless God, bless me, bless everyone who subscribe to my channel. Bless for 3,000 subscribers. Bless me, bless my family. Bless all you guys who's watching on the screen right now. Our Father, or what's in heaven. Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. Thy be on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. We're going to go to the car while my dad's finished bathing, and then I'm going to sing you guys a song. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. By the way, it's sunny and it's cold, and I have my jacket on. My sister has my jacket on too. And I hope you guys have an amazing day right away. And this is how and you guys, Saturday my mom made me and my sister's hair. Skyra, show them your hair. I'm trying to play. You guys, do you believe in God? Do you guys believe in God? You guys should. Because if you don't believe in God, you go to hell. And you know who's going to bring you there? Satan. And Satan is very scary. He has horns. He's red. He's very scary. Help us! And so you guys, you have to believe in God. It's fine if you don't have to go to church, but you have to learn about God. You guys, church is very important. So you guys have to go to church to hear, so you don't go to hell, okay? Good. Thank you for 3,000 subscribers. Please. You guys, I got you. No. Oh, you want to fight like that? Okay, let's do it. I guess you guys, we have to do this. That's what I thought. He's Jamie. Okay, he's really fighting now.
Shane, go behind.
Hi guys.
Hi, Mommy.
What's good?
Good. Hi, Mommy.
Hi Papa.
I'm eating Lay's.
What?
Hi, Mommy. Lay's.
Hi Pa.
Mommy. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and thank you so much for 3,000 subscribers. God bless you all.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow.
Okay, let's follow.
Buzz, 3,000 subscribers. 3,000 subscribers. 3,000 subscribers. 3,000 subscribers. 3,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for 3,000 subscribers. We're so grateful, guys. You guys have been amazing. You want to sing God Will Make a Way?
We're gonna sing.
Okay, is that what we're gonna sing? Okay, we're gonna vote. Kyra, what are we gonna sing? God Will Make a Way or Because You Live?
God will make a way.
Papa, what do we sing? God will make a way all because he leaves.
God can make a way. God make a way.
Okay.
God will make a way when it seems no way.
He walks in ways we cannot see.
He will make a way for me. He will be my God.
Hold me closely to his hands. With love and strength for his new day. He will make a rivers and the desert will I see. Heaven and earth will fade, but this love still remains. And he will do something new today. Oh, God will make a way. He walks on ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will make a way. He will make a way. Hooray! What do you have to say about God?
God is amazing.
Okay.
God is everything.
Okay.
God's. You guys, I never thought, but I have a question for you guys. And is God a human? Tell me, guys.
He's a spirit.
Because I actually never thought about that. If he was human, I never know. Because he's everywhere.
Yeah, he's everywhere. He's spirit, right? God is spirit, right? He's not?
How about me?
What's it? I think he's a spirit. Because he's not human. You can see him physically. I can see his spirit. That's what I think. I don't know if anyone has an opinion about that.
You can only see God after we die.
Yes, but he can actually appear to you. He can come to you in spirit.
But we can even imagine about it.
Do you think you're gonna go to heaven?
Yes.
Why?
Because sometimes I lie, but I do a lot. I don't lie that much. So I only lie a bit. So I think I'm gonna go.
Skyra, do you think you're gonna go to heaven?
Yes.
Why?
That because I rather want that.
Yeah, you always tell the truth. You're a good girl. Papa, do you think you're gonna go to heaven?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. Huh? But I baby, I can meet the father.
When you were a baby, you're going to your father? Okay. And Chanel, why do you think you're gonna make it to heaven, not hellfire?
It's because I used to lie, but now I don't lie anymore. So that's why I think I'm gonna go to heaven and I get to see God. And I love God and I go to church every day except when mommy was sick.
Okay. And do you believe in God?
Yes, Mama.
Skyra, do you believe in God?
Yes, Mama.
Papa, do you believe in God?
You don't call mommy.
Chocobaka.
Coco
Baka.
Coco. Coco melon. Dun, 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 dun.
So guys, we are in church.
We're in church. wants to go to church so badly. Because last time when mommy was sick, we didn't go to church. Only daddy went to church.
Thank you,
The relationship with Jesus Christ, with God.
So you guys just has clothes, and this is what they say in church. If you want to have peace, go to God. I have peace. You guys have peace. But if you don't, go to God. And by the way, guys, you see this in front of me? I'm going to read it. And God said, let there be lights. Genesis 1 verse 3. God's in the middle.